Okay, so we turn on the machine. So here inside have a 3 more skin barrier rebuild, and also the anti-emphyresis and the smoothing. So this one for the sensitive skin, and the third one is oxygen. The third one is oxygen injection and the acne removal. So under each mode, the setting is similar. You just need to set the, for here, frequency start from the 1 to 10. So this is the how to say, this is the output of the solution. So here is the solution output. Here this frequency to set it. If we set it to 0, that means it will not come out. That means the handle will not come out this liquid. So you will only work work with the radio frequency alone. And then energy here is to add judging. Here is to add judging the radio frequency energy. Here is to add judging. Normally we can use it around 10 to 15 is okay. Okay, and then press ready. So here after press ready, and then we can the handle. Here have the treatment button. So you can see the liquid will come out from the middle, and then you do the treatment on the face. Okay, and it also will come out the oxygen from the hole. It will come out the oxygen from the hole. So you can do it on the facial. Okay, and then the setting for other tumor is similar. Under the setting of the sensitive skin, the maximum energy is go to 20. So this is the only difference with another tumor. So okay, so this one also go to 30. The energy, the radio, here is the radio frequency energy of the head, the 27 megahertz energy level. Okay, and then here you can add judging the oxygen output. So the higher means the higher oxygen output, and the lower is lower oxygen output intensity. So here you can add judging. Okay, 开始了是吧? Okay, so now we will start the treatment with this device. This one is a skin repair device for the information. So let's go to, here have 3 more. Skin barrier rebuild, anti-emphyresis and smoothing. This one for the sensitive skin. So the third one is oxygen injection and acne removal, using for the acne skin. So let's go to the first one with the energy setting. Here 1 to 10. This one it is the frequency, the output speed of the solution here. If you set it 0, you will not use this part. If you can set it 1, so you will come out slow. And then here is energy setting of the radio frequency. This is the 27 megahertz radio frequency. So you can set the energy around 12. So we can start the treatment with the radio frequency with the solution together. And also it has the oxygen output, high purity of the oxygen output together. Okay, then we, after press the ready, we need to press the work button on the skin, and then you clean the skin, and then you click the work button. You will come out the liquid, and then you 那个氧会不会很高？可以哦。没感觉。So this is for the sensitive skin, for the skin with the redness. So this one very good, very effective for the redness skin, acne skin, sensitive skin. Because the radio frequency is good, the 27 megahertz radio frequency is designed for the sensitive skin, for the anti-inflammation, for reducing the inflammation cells. So you can do it gently for the 热不热？
你要怼平的才会热。
怼平的时候。 它那个氧会不会有点多？有点吃的有点多？
有氧吗？我咋没感
那
觉？
可能我那氧有点调低了。你没有氧吧？有吧？
没感觉呀、就有热热的感觉而已。我那些长痘的时候都给我怼脸。
So you can do it around the whole face. So this radio frequency is good for the inflammation skin, sensitive skin, for the skin repair after or before the laser treatment, IPL treatment. For all kinds of laser treatment, you can use this one combined to use for the skin repair. You can use it combined with the skin protect solution, or you can use it along with the radio frequency. 你再拍一个全景的，拍一个全景，我们在做这个，用这个机器在做这个再操作。OK。